Howdy. I haven't made a video in a while because I've been busy basically doing anything else. Can you see that? Well, I, I hope so. Yeah, seems to be good. Actually, kind of screwed up my positioning here. Alright, so, there we go. Cool. So I more or less have been making an asteroids clone, and it's going. I mean, I think I got some of it working. Oh, right. I couldn't make it move. All right, so there's not a whole lot here. So more or less, I'm kind of utilizing some of the stuff we learned from the tutorial to actually run some of this and build some of this. I always make these when I'm like too tired, but I just spent all day basically working on some really complex, like, yeah, some complex web scraping stuff. Like, I'm more or less trying to utilize JavaScript to like pick up events from iframes, but there's this whole like cross origin blah 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 security stuff that makes it all quite a giant pain. But in any case, whatever, I want to do this instead. And I'm hoping. I remember one of my past videos having some audio issues, so hopefully that's not the case moving forward. So, let's see. Where's Godot? There it is. So, I'm able to. It's also been fun trying to like get back into C sharp because I've been in Python JavaScript land for so long. But more or less, I can kind of rotate now, but I can't move in the direction I'm like pointed at, you know? And I put no thought into how to solve this, so I'm hoping this isn't too boring. um, but you know, it's the way it goes. It's always a lot of fun, like programming stuff I know, but this is programming stuff I don't know, and so it makes it pretty difficult. But basically, we have the player node and the main screen, um, and you can see me printing out some velocity down there. So, more or less, right. So, like, more or less, what I'm doing is detecting movement, and I have two vector 2s, so I can, like, normalize and use all of the... I don't know if this is the right way to do any of this. And I was, like, kind of out of it when I was writing this last night. I wrote this last night. I have a video, maybe I'll append it to the beginning of this one, maybe not. But you can imagine me using keyboard and typing. In any case, I'm trying to track both rotation and velocity, so something like it acts more like a tank. Maybe Godot 2D tank movement. So it is like more or less just a tank, you know. Oh gosh, I hate when people don't design their websites in a way that makes it easy. There we go. Okay, let's just get rid of that sidebar. Alright, so I really just want to see what they do about where movement. Man, this text is small. Kinematic body, I don't know. Do we need a kinematic body? Oh, I see. So I saw this move and slide mechanic. And that's kind of what I want. Like, so right now it just kind of goes to point. Like, I don't know. Does that still swap over to me? It does, hey. So, like, right now, it very much, like, moves from point A to B. But it would be nice if there was a bit of a kind of like, I don't know what to call that. Maybe not a LARP, whatever. But do you really need like kinematic, which I remember from my Unity days is very much okay, so sorry, I'm not finishing any of these thoughts. So they have like a kinematic body 2D. They have a sprite. They have their collision shape, fine. They have another sprite for the gun, and then yeah, okay. Alright, I mean, that kind of makes sense. Or it doesn't kind of, it does make sense. It's just, okay. So, velocity equals vector 2. Okay, there's got to be more code. Yeah, oh, here we are. Yeah. This is the kind of stuff I want to see. Alright. Oh, man. Thank God for all the people who've done this crap before. Man, I am tired. Why do I always do this crap when I'm like half awake and it's like 4 p.m. and I was up since 7 this morning coding. Just like all day, dude. But it's fine. It's just hard to use brain. So, right. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Okay, so let's redesign. Oh, they have like a look at. For the mouse position. Oh, but that's for the turret. We don't need that. So I was like more or less kind of doing the same thing. I think I like overcomplicated this. Also, I really, the one thing I like about Python and JavaScript, well, the one thing I like and dislike, because it has issues of its own, but if I want to shove a bunch of stuff into a dictionary or a list or something, I just can. Like, I don't need to worry so much about typing and stuff, but whatever. Let's yeah. Okay. So rotation direction equals 0. Okay. And then right is +1. Okay. Rotation Also, the JavaScripts, the semicolons are killing me. This useless assignment. What do you mean, useless assignment? No. Some of the, like, IntelliSense stuff is a bit silly and, like, not how I would, or not IntelliSense, but this, linter. I was about to say Flake, because we use, like, Pylance and Flake 8 that work, but... Alright, so... Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of this crap. Alright. So... Velocity... Oh. My wife turned on Jersey Shore. I was definitely confused there for a sec. Alright. Velocity equals vector 2. Do we need new? I used to be, like, I spent a whole year programming in C#, but coming back to it, like, I'm bringing back all these habits from other languages. So we do have a speed variable. Yeah. Dot rotated. Okay, rotation. Interesting. Oh. What? Oh, they're okay. So they have, like, okay. So rotation. This almost looks like Python. I know it's like their GD script or whatever, but that's kind of cool. And they have, like, these $signs. Remind me of old jQuery. Probably the same thing, more or less. Maybe we do need a rotation speed, so we'll export that as well. Public. And then I'm switching keyboards, so I'm, like, typing the wrong keys. Okay. Public int we'll see how fast that is. Okay. Times delta. Oh, so we need delta in this as well. Okay. Oh, that's not how you do it, right? It's like, there we go. Cannot. What? Oh, I had to, like, wrap it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Every language does things different, of course. Okay. Oh, and they do like negative speed to move backwards. That's interesting. Okay. See, I probably wouldn't have thought of this. It's not until I really get into the meat of something that I start to like piece things together. All right. Negative speed, and they divide by 2. I might not divide by 2. We'll see. Rotated, rotation. Okay, and then what I really want, they probably don't have tuples, do they? Maybe I'll just, everything's very class-based. And I'm definitely more of a functional kind of cat, you know? Can I just do that? What do I want to return? What do they use in this? Oh, okay. So, oh, well, maybe we do just need to return the vector to velocity. Okay. And so we'll return velocity. Okay. Cool. Pass delta in. And then all that stuff goes. Move, and slide we can't do because we're the wrong type. Okay. That's fine. What's going on? The player scene. Okay. So this is area 2D. Okay. So I need a kinematic. Yeah. Am I spelling it wrong? It's gone. Right, they upgraded. This is Godot 4. It has been called character body. Character body 2D. There we go. I actually... I was hoping I could add this as a parent. Godot change node type. Can I just do that? There's got to be a way. Change type. Nice. Yeah. Ditch that. Okay. Cool. And so you say character body 2D. We should have this. No overload for method move and slide takes 1 argument. What does it take then? Oh, okay. So it just has a velocity property. So I could really do this. And then just ditch that out, right? Oh, you know, we don't have any jams going. Normally I have some jams, don't I? I need to, you know, there's this dude, Tokyo Spliff, and he usually has like this playlist that just kind of rolls in the background. I need to get one of that, or one of those going. Oh yeah, here's his video going. He's doing a bunch of cool C++ stuff, which I gave up on a long time ago. Might get back into it. I did some of it, you know. But that was all SDL2, not OpenGL. Okay. Free streaming music. It's like the one thing. I hate the lo-fi crap, man. I just want, what is... No. I think I played smooth jazz before. See, I don't trust this. I don't want to get striked, you know? What's this sound like? Oh, jeez, that's pretty loud. What's going on? There we go. I hope that's not too quiet or too loud, whatever. It's actually even a little loud for me. There we go. I'm just playing the background. Alright. Hopefully that's fine. Maybe not. Maybe the audio's screwed on all of this. I notice also that my webcam becomes a bit desynced once in a while. Hey. So, whatever. It's not about me. It's about the game. Okay. So nice. Let's try out this new movement. Actually, I need to save the player scene. Yeah, I saw the move and slide stuff last night, but I thought it was kind of within a 3D context. So. Okay. Well, I did something wrong. Or they did something wrong. I don't know. I was wondering this as well. This is like left and right. Like, the key inputs rotate the tank and move it forward. Does it? I think this is just going to be a void then. Maybe I need to be setting this stuff directly. And then we just need to be calling this generally. It's less detecting the movement now and more like dictating it, but let's see how that goes. It's just like, what the fuck? Yeah, it's not rotating, and it's just kind of sliding forever. God, that's janky. Who wrote this? Me? Whoever this guy is. Okay. See, like, that's... Why would it be in the X position to move? That's so confusing to me. What about that? This is janky. I didn't think an Asteroids game would take so long, but I guess I've never really played Asteroids, and I just thought it was a simple game. Oh, well, it rotates. Okay. Rotation speed is insane now. We can't live edit like we can in Unity. That's a shame. Oh, I just can't edit here. Why? Oh, is my... Oh, my number... my number lock wasn't on. Alright. What's this? Should that be -1? Huh. Whatever. I don't know what that means. Oh, it's like stuck. So, oh, maybe I just need to do like a plus equal? Because it needs to be additive? I don't know. That was it. I still can't like move in the direction I want to, but we can spin. This is like more or less what I had before. Okay, so what's up with move and slide? Moves the body based on the velocity, collision information, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm gonna look up move and slide. Hey, Godot docs have been like really, the documentation's been great. When moving, instead you should use move and collide, move and slide. That's what the other person had too. Okay, so let's look up the physics process callback. Okay, so it should be like an override. Okay. Physics process. Okay. The function process is not synchronized with physics. Its rate depends on hardware and game optimization. Okay. So this just runs, so I don't need anything in process. Is that how that works? You know, this kind of slaps. I hope you guys can hear it. Maybe you can. I mean, it still works. It just doesn't work how I want it to work. Okay. Move and slide is intended to simplify the collision response in the common case where you want the body to slide along the other. It is especially useful in platformers or top-down games. Motion mode. This property is typically used to distinguish between side-scrolling and top-down movement. When using the default value, you can use the is on floor and is on wall and is on ceiling to detect what the type of surface the body is in contact with, and the body will interact with slopes when using motion mode floating. All collisions will be considered off walls. So it's like all about So, wait. Maybe that tutorial we were looking at. Oh crap. Where'd it go? Okay. Go 2D tank movement. It should pop up again. Okay, maybe they like set up something differently. Last. I don't know, it looks fine to me. Whatever. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So this is all sprite map stuff. That's fine. Okay, but like, I don't know. I kind of got the idea that... Okay. When moving a character body 2D, you should not set its position property directly, yada yada yada. Wonder... Do we need to normalize some of this? I'm thinking so. So we can bring those values down. Oh, that just dicked it up. So we shouldn't be normalizing it. Okay. See, it's like when colliding. So I don't know if... top side of horizontal surfaces. Yeah, this is all like side to side instead of top down. Okay, so maybe we need to set that to X. Huh. I don't think that was talked about it at all. Yeah. That did nothing. Okay. Okay. Hmm. I do see them resetting the velocity. Like basically trying to play spot the difference here. This is definitely old. So. Okay. See what happens. Oh, well, it's not like losing its cool. I bet I could get it to slide if, yeah, probably get it to slide if I screw around with velocity a little more, but I really want it to move in the direction I'm like looking at, you know. So I wonder if I don't want. I don't really want it to be based on the mouse, but this will be like proof of concept. Oh my gosh. There we go. Yeah, it still doesn't move in the right way, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So I don't know. Yeah, they do not have more code. And even then, like, It was like rotating real funny there. Like, oh, we took it out. But yeah, I was like, not from this point, but like, that's okay. How about this? Just for proof of concept. So, turret. Didn't even define that. What the fuck? Huh. Huh. Why would this pop out over there? No, I just want a access child node. Oh, it's just get node. Okay. Private node look at. Oh. Look at node. I might need to come back to this. Brain no work. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I'm ending this. What do we get? 50 minutes. Whatever. Alright. Bye. Maybe I'll watch some YouTube videos or something.